there. Like they are talking about arithmetic mean. Do you remember that we did? Okay, let me just talk about it. I think I need to change my pen. So arithmetic mean. So what is the meaning of arithmetic mean if you're given two numbers A and B? And if I insert a number in between these numbers, so it's that A and this is the number which I'm inserting, A and AB are in AP, then this is called, A is called the arithmetic mean, first arithmetic mean, called the first arithmetic mean of AB. Okay. So the meaning this here is that these three terms should be in AP. If they are in AP, then I can also say that A minus A, second term minus first term would be equal to third term minus second term, and that should be equal to 2A, that should be equal to A plus B, and that should be equal to A equals to A plus B by 2. So this is what is your arithmetic mean, first arithmetic mean. Okay. Then we talked about n-Arithmetic mean. So what we are saying here is that, oh, instead of inserting 1, you can insert n numbers in between these two numbers and make them an AP. So we say that A1, A2, and AN, comma B are in AP. In such situations, we say that A1, A2, up to AN are an arithmetic mean of AB. So now we're trying to find out the numbers, these numbers, what are these numbers in terms of A and B. So we said that as there are n numbers over here, and then there is 1 over here, and then 1 is over here. So total terms of this AP is actually n plus 2. So now we are going to use this formula of AP that so we say that let the common difference of AP be D. If the common difference is D, then I can say that my AN plus 2 term will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So n minus 1, n is n plus 2 minus 1 into D. So what is my intention to find out D in terms of A and B? What is my AN plus 2th term is actually B because there are n terms here and 1 here. So my AN plus 2 is B. This is A and this is n plus 1 into D. So this will become B minus A divided by n plus 1 and that is actually equal to my D. Now I've got D in terms of B, A and N. So now I can find out all those terms like A1. What is my A1? A1 is nothing but A plus D. As it is A plus D, so I can say that this is A plus B minus A upon N plus 1. Secondly, what is my A2? A2 is nothing but A plus 2D because that's my third term. And that is going to be equal to A plus 2 times B minus A upon N plus 1. And in the same manner, I can keep going and I can find out my nth arithmetic mean, which is A plus N into D, not N minus 1 into D. Just be sure because this term is actually AN plus 1 term. The term is AN plus 1, the name is AN, and this is equal to A plus N and D, and that should be equal to A plus N into B minus A upon N plus 1. So these are my all n arithmetic means. Okay. If you sum up A1 plus A2 up to AN, what you get is basically this is n times you will get NA, right? And then this side you will get B minus A upon N plus 1. That is common. And what you get is a sequence which is going like this 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to N. So if you take B minus A upon N plus 1 common, here 1 is hit and 2, 3. So this is all added. This is also added. Now you know that this is N into A. This is B minus A upon N plus 1. And the summation of all these terms is actually N into N plus 1 by 2. summation of all these terms, because this is an AP as well, and you should remember it as a result that sum of those n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this n plus 1 is cancelled out. Now you can as well take n common from both the sides. So this will become a plus b minus a by 2. When you do this further, you will get n into 2a plus b minus a by 2. When you do this further, what you get is n into a plus b by 2. So when you are summing up all those arithmetic means and arithmetic mean, you get n into a plus b by 2.